one arm. That is so... Listen to that KX motor just absolutely bark up top, baby. What's going on, everybody? We got two bikes out here today. We brought out the KX250 and the KTM 150. We're gonna go take a little spin on the green machine, the Kawasaki. Oh, haven't rode this bike in quite some time. It's been, I don't know, 3 months since I rode this. I've been riding my Yamaha KX250F quite a bit, so I'm excited to go out here and test this bike out, see how she feels, rip around with some buddies, just overall have a good time. Oh, I way overshot that. I went too fast the first time I did it, way too fast. That was much smoother. Alright, so riding the KX a little bit. This thing feels so much different than my other two bikes. Feels so different than my Yamaha, my KTM. Motor just likes to be strung out. If you really like to rev out your bikes, you'll love a KX250F, man. I feel like this thing rides better the more you rev it out. Just hold third there every time. This thing revs out so far. So I've said it before, I'm definitely more confident. On my KX250F. But the KX250 just feels good, man. I like it today. I'm having a blast on it. The suspension on this was stiff and harsh. Honestly, the more I ride it and the more the suspension breaks in, the more I like it. So you tell me, if you own a Cowie, is the suspension just really harsh at first? Like our new forks on a Cowie, kind of just stiff and harsh, because they definitely feel better after getting some time on them. Slide out on that thing all the time. Listen to that KX motor just absolutely bark up top, baby. That's what I'm saying. She loves to be revved. So if you want a rever bike, get the KX250. Oh! Sorry, buddy. That's all my arms got for a little bit.
That's just bad.
Huh?
That's my bad. That's just bad.
It's all good. Send this thing. Send it. All right, so there's a tabletop right here, but there's like a little lump roller there, a little lump roller there. And if you just hit it faster, instead of landing on the landing, which is here, you can land in this roller. And if you're really flying, you can land all the way in that roller. I'm trying to get my buddy Colin to send this thing on his RMZ 450. He's got the skill for it, but he's getting married soon and he doesn't want to get injured. Wife will not be happy. Let's see if he hits it. We got a dude on a YZ 125 with one arm. That is so sick, dude. This dude is out here ripping, holding on with one hand. Damn, dude. Props to that. Mad respect. Come on, Nate. Let's see you hit this roller. You got it. Woo! Yeah! Oh! Hell yeah, buddy. Let's see if he does it for a third time in a row. Now that he's feeling it. Oh, he's feeling it. Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Sharing up that YZ85, bro. Let's go, young buck. Following you, buddy. Let's go. Alright, let's see you hit these. You got them, man. Yeah! Hell yeah! Perfect. Oh! He got squirrely. Don't get squirrely because the camera's on you now, buddy. Woo!
Well, that tire feels really slippery.
You alright? I see you got squirrely there.
Oh, shit. Low?
Yeah, I don't think it's flat, but it's definitely really low.
Yeah, I'm gonna go fill it up.
Definitely. Hey man, what's your name again?
Scott?
Scott?
Yeah.
Good ripping, buddy.